Hello, welcome back my people. Today I decided to do some pilau and some stew. The ingredients are on the screen. Let's get started. I'm going to add some cooking oil. I'm going to start to cook the pilau first, then the stew, and later I serve them together. And I promise you it will be something amazing. We should learn together. I give it some time after adding the oil. So add the onions. I grate the ginger. Add the ginger and the onions now together. I'm going to make sure that they become golden brown, so I give them some time. As you can see, as little as that, add the grounded ingredients over there and the ungrounded ones, the pilau masala. I've added both of them, the grounded and the ungrounded. Add the meat. The pilau masala is the one which are going to give the pilau its color. So for me, I don't want so much brown color, so I didn't add a lot. So I expect still my pilau will not be so brown. Add the meat. Now add the rice. I had washed it. There are 3 cups of rice. The quantities of the ingredients, you can get them in the description below. So follow step by step till the end. I'm going to stir them together, mix them together like that. So easy. There's no expertise that is needed. Just some simple steps and you can get your pilau ready. After that, I'm going to add water. Because I used 3 cups of rice, I'm going to add 3 cups of water. That's the third one. Add the salt. So then I cover the top, give it time to boil. I keep on regulating the amount of it. I cover the top like that. Now I want to prepare the stew. Add the cooking oil, give it some time to heat, just like a minute or so. To that, I'm going now to add the onions. I had everything ready so that when I get started, I don't have to keep on preparing other things, just going to be cooking. So I'm going to make sure that the onions now are not going to be golden brown, but some pale or some light brown. So as you can see, this is the stew. I'm going to prepare the stew. I add some salt. Don't want them to be golden brown, so I add the tomatoes. So easy, my people. I know you are eager to see the end product, but just be patient. Let's work together. Stir them together. Add the carrots. Continue stirring them together. Add the meat. Just some little amount, because in the pilau I had already added. So the small amount that remained, mostly the ones that have some bones, that one I'm going to use to make the stew. Add the potatoes. Continue stirring. The peas, called them the minji, the peas. So I had boiled them, so you can opt to boil or not to boil them. Then after some time they are ready. As you can see, they are ready. My stew is ready. So I give it about 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. ready. Now the pilau, I want to see the end product. I'm also eager to see. Wow, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, you can attest it is okay. Like that. I want to see whether it's ready to be served. Yeah, I can attest the pilau, even the aroma. Can't wait. They're just simple things, and that's the end product. So if you're new to our channel, please do consider subscribing, watch our other videos. Thank you.